so many different ways. We heard going up, taking the jumpers, but also static. An opportunity, again, on our forward ramp to go out, get up and close and personal and take those photos of all of our commemorative Air Force on display today.
Good time, too, to point out the hard work going on with our folks in air traffic, our air boss, George Klein, and the others that choreograph all of this. Every bit of this has to be well thought out, planned, well ahead, as you could well imagine, safely done within all of the areas where it's permitted, managing all those rules and regulations safely. It is no small effort. This is huge, and teamwork involved, and the choreography is outstanding. Stretching them out to get them back down safely now. That's the hardest part of it all, getting them up there, then getting them stacked up, and now getting them to come back down. Because the hardest part is to convince these pilots to land. They could go all day if they could. They're enjoying it. So slowly but surely now we'll get them back. They'll taxi back, and then we're going to turn things over to the Air Force and the F-35 Lightning demonstration team. It all looks so graceful and easy. It's not. Some of these, the torque on these big engines, the big round one there of the Dauntless as the SPD lands. T-34 with a tricycle landing gear. It's not a tail dragger, so a little bit of a help there. The T-6 coming in next with the big round Pratt & Whitney engine. Then those C-45s, big round engines as well. And as they taxi by, we'll ask you to give them a nice big wave too. And as they do that, I point this out, our World War II veterans, because of age, we're losing them at a rapid rate. But every year, and out of these 50 years, I can't imagine how many World War II veterans have come to this event, and sadly have come and gone as well. And all they ask before they leave is that we not forget their sacrifices. So I'm going to ask you for a favor right now, folks, because we have a gentleman here at 101, and it just never ceases to amaze me that they'll come out and spend the day in the sun and enjoy every minute of this. And I want you to put your hands together and make enough noise that Frank here knows that we are never going to forget, and we will always remember their sacrifices. Please, give it up. Our parade of commemorative Air Force airplanes.
And a special thank you to
All right, let me take this time to thank all my loyal subscribers for watching this. Let me also thank you in advance for smashing that like button. And all you future subscribers, welcome.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of your United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Ken Wilfont, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we welcome you once again to the Sun and Fun Air Expo here in beautiful Lakeland, Florida. I am the F-35 Demonstration Team Superintendent, Senior Master Sergeant Jake Zapola from Grants Pass, Oregon. I'm joined today by our Team Safety Observer and combat-ready F-35 pilot, Captain Spencer Motor Thompson. Motor is a combat veteran fighter pilot with more than 400 hours in fighter aircraft and hails from Titusville, Florida. As a member of the 3D Fighter Wing, better known as Panther Nation, commanded by Colonel Michael Getty, located at Hill Air Force Base in scenic northern Utah. It is my distinct pleasure to describe for you today a capability demonstration by the world's most technologically advanced 5th generation fighter, the F-35A Lightning II. The team commander and pilot for today's flight is Captain Melanie Mock Klusner.
Melanie Mock.
Military family, but she was born and raised in Memphis, Tennessee. She's a veteran combat fighter pilot with more than 750 hours in fighter jet aircraft. The F-35 you're about to see is a supersonic 9G capable multi-role aircraft that combines cutting-edge stealth with the most advanced avionics system of any fighter aircraft in history. The F-35 gives the United States Air Force the power to dominate the skies anytime, anywhere. While you won't see everything that makes the F-35A Lightning II the most technologically advanced stealth fighter aircraft in the world, you will witness its raw power. As today's flight begins from your left, Captain Klusner will execute a maximum power takeoff using all 43,000 pounds of thrust being produced by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, lifting the Lightning II off the runway in an amazing 1,500 feet. Then watch as the F-35 performs a half Cuban 8 at a stunning 50 degrees angle of attack, a first-of-its-kind maneuver unique to the F-35 demo team. Lighting 1, you are clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff. 7-5.
Here we go.
It's showtime.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to stand up and get your cameras ready. I present to you the newest 5th generation fighter aircraft in the world, your United States Air Force F-35A Lightning II.
It's the Lightning II! Can't see it on the screen, but it's there somewhere. Where is she?
that wasn't impressive enough, she will then pull back on the stick and catapult the Lightning II from 300 feet to over 3 miles. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for freedom's thunder on the high speed pass. In a dogfight, combat maneuverability is crucial. The Lightning II's advanced flight controls combined with its powerful engine gives the F-35 an impressive 1,500-foot turn radius. As Captain Cruiser approaches show center, she will light the afterburner and
Captain Cruiser!
pressing her into the seat with up to
I've been calling her Captain Mach.
9 times the force of gravity. After completing the turn, the F-35 will power straight up into a vertical climb and then quickly change direction. From your left, the Lightning II's and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready to capture the salute. Now, from over your left shoulder, the F-35 demonstration team proudly presents the dedication pass. Here's to the ones who never make it back home.
That's not my left shoulder, that's their right shoulder. He's reading the wrong script.
Captain Cruiser will now demonstrate the Lightning II's crisp agility and handling. Notice that as she makes her approach, she is in the inverted position.
Captain Cruiser!
Show center, she will complete a 360-degree roll and finish the pass inverted. Coming in from your right is Captain Cruiser performing the inverted to inverted pass. Watch closely as the jet climbs more than a mile into the vertical. Place the Lightning II, and then while under complete control and without the spectre, Captain Cruiser will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lightning II pedal turn. ability to maintain slow speed flight is crucial in combat. The potent combination of sophisticated flight controls, coupled with the most powerful fighter engine ever built, make it possible to reduce the F-35 speed to less than 100 knots. Coming in from your left, Captain Buzner will demonstrate the F-35 slow speed capability. And then just as she approaches show center, you will once again feel the raw power of the engine as she lights the afterburner and accelerates the aircraft into a near vertical climb.
Thanks for the likes. Appreciate it. It's my third year in a row doing this. Outmaneuver their opponents. As Captain Buzner approaches show center, she will complete more than 135 degrees of heading change in 3 seconds. Slide the tail of the F-35 through the turn and then powerfully climb out of the maneuver. Closing in from the left, ladies and gentlemen, the tactical pitch. Our F-35 dedicated crew chiefs, Staff Sergeant Jacob Sackett from Benicia, California, and Staff Sergeant Jesse Easley from Houston, Texas. Our avionics specialist, A1C Matthew Dooley from Phoenix, Arizona. Our low observable specialist, Staff Sergeant Basilio Godinez from Naples, Florida. Our aircrew flight equipment specialist, Senior Airman Samantha Jackson from Ogden, Utah. And our team's public affairs advisor, Staff Sergeant Zach Rufus from DeSoto, Texas. gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to describe the unique history of what you are about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian performers to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight, a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now Heritage Flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Pictures from behind and overhead.
Can you see him? Point him out to me. You're pointing, okay, thanks.
To those who've had to fly and fight,
Good eye on that one. Now they're behind the terminal.
who have served their country in the sky,
Gotcha.
with a grateful heart and watchful eye, we remember, and may the faithful proud machines
All right, they're under the tree line.
for the sword of freedom on their wings.
There we go, low on the trees. I'm on them. They're behind that one tree there. Coming over to terminal.
Come in front of the restaurant.
We're coming over here by the tent now. Gotcha. I love these flights. Every time I see it. This is, I think, the second time this week we've seen this. All these batteries are going to be dying soon, so I'm going to have to charge them up and miss some of the show.
World War II era
So guys, come back later. You want to see the Thunderbirds that are around 4 o'clock?
That is being flown by Steve-O Hinton Jr., as well as a United States
Getting wrapped up in cords, got to turn this tripod.
piloted by Captain Melanie.
So subscribe, hit the notifications, and you'll know. That's 4 o'clock. I'll be back before then, though. Change out some batteries, move some things around. I'll try to keep something live.